In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these window deflectors that are in channel as opposed to the stick-on ones that go on the outside of the door on this Dodge Ram 2500. Make sure you have the right kind for your application because the rear doors are different based on what cab size you have. Having said that, let's get started. Because I have an in-channel window deflector, I'm going to have to clean right in here where this goes. So I just have a rag and I'm going to gently stick a screwdriver through it and make sure that there's no dust and debris. As you can see, it was pretty dirty in there and I want it to be able to stick on once I glue it in there. There we go. Now get your window deflector, make sure it's the correct one of course, and I'm going to peel off the front first because this actually has a separate piece of double-sided tape here. So I'm going to get rid of that, and then what I'm going to do is go to the rear and start peeling off the rear, just not all the way. This part right here actually goes all across the top as well. I'm going to go just partially off with the protective plastic layer just so I can tuck it in there, but leave this hanging so I can pull the rest off once it is fully tucked in. So having said that, make sure it's all the way in that channel and then stick it into the front, push it up against the door. Now you just do this and stick your fingers in here, just press it up against the window seal. Now we're going to roll up the window to make sure that once the window goes up, not only is it actually able to go up all the way without any disturbances here from the plastic not being seated, but also when the window goes up, it'll actually press the window deflector up against this seal, so it'll glue it nice and tight. With the ignition on, roll up the window. There we go. That pushed the window deflector out. I would personally suggest leaving the window like this for at least 24 hours so that the glue can stick properly to the outer window seal there. At that point, repeat the process to all the other doors and you're done.